Okay, I'm working on a Toyota Tundra. I'm changing the manifold, exhaust manifold. So to remove the manifold, you have to remove the catalytic converters. This one right here. That's bolt number 13 to remove the rear ones. And on the front right here, there's three nuts right here. They are number 14. Okay, and I use the torch to remove these bolts right here. I just leave the torch here for like 5 minutes each bolt. And this one I also use WD-40 to remove these bolts right there. And here's the tools that I'm using it. So I use number 10 to remove the cover. Okay, so this cover goes like this. Okay, so you have to remove this bolt, this, and this. So that's why you need a number 10 and a flex. This one right here and a magnet. So as you can see, the cover goes here. The number 10 bolt is here. The other one goes all the way down there, and the other two, it goes right there. One right here and the other one all the way down there. So it's for number 10. And to remove the bolts of the manifold, you're gonna use a 14. You can see I got my wrench here with the number 14. And to remove the bolt, just turn the wheel. Let me see. Turn the wheel to, okay. And there is one bolt right there, so it's easy to remove that bolt. So I remember this is number 14. And so you have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts on the top. And the sensors are here. The connections, one there and one right here. Okay, so here's the new one. So just make sure, and also you have to disconnect this pipe right here. That's number 10. So it's attached. So it's attached here on the manifold, and also the one over there too. And also you need to remove the brackets of these hoses. That's number 13. There's one bolt up there. You can get the bolts from up there, so it's easy to remove those. Yeah, so you have to remove the 4 number 10 bolts from the EGR pipe. There's this one right here. So this one is attached to the exhaust manifold, and also the 2 bolts number 13 for the let me see, for the oil cooler. These pipes right here. So you have to remove this bolt right here. This holding the hoses. This bolt right here. Okay. two bolts are there on the top and the engine, so easy to remove. Okay. What else? Okay, I think that's it, guys. At the end of this video, I'm gonna put all the torques. Okay. So you're gonna torque the exhaust ER hose tube at 7 foot-pounds. But you don't have to remove those hoses.